Do you wear a face mask when you go outside? Did you ever notice others doing blunders wearing face masks? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Praveen Cheripalli. I'm a board-certified internal medicine physician from Florida, United States. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you some common blunders that we do when we wear face masks and how we can fix them. Touching the face mask. This is probably the most common blunder that we see outside. When you go into the public places, remember, the outer surface of the mask can still get contaminated. When you touch the outer surface, your hands can also get contaminated. You see this very often. People removing their face mask, touching the outer surface of the mask. When you touch, remember your hands get contaminated, and when you start using cell phone or any other objects, they also get contaminated. The best approach to remove your face mask is using your ear loops, just like this. Try not to do fidgeting or fiddling with your face masks. Eating or drinking while using a face mask. What would you do when you go to a restaurant? Most of the people, they simply pull down the face mask like this and start eating. This is acceptable to an extent. However, remember, the outer surface of the mask can get contaminated. When you start eating, you may contaminate your clothes, and this is not really comfortable like this for a long time. The best approach is to simply take the mask and you can keep it in a paper bag, just like this, or you can use a Ziploc bag or a to-go box. This is a pretty safe method, and whenever you are done eating, you can take your mask out without touching the outer surface of the mask, and you can put your face mask back on. Wearing face masks inappropriately. This is another common blunder that you notice outside. You'll see people wearing the face mask right below their nose. This is common. And you'll also see people wearing the mask on their chin. This does not serve the purpose. If your nose and mouth are exposed, then you will be exposed to the viral particles and you can get infected. Make sure to completely cover both your nose, mouth, and the bottom of the face mask should be down below your chin. Not washing your hands, or at least using a hand sanitizer. Remember, whenever you put on the face mask, if your hands are already contaminated, now you're contaminating this face mask. It is very important to wash your hands, or at least use a hand sanitizer before you put on the face mask. Similarly, whenever you remove the face mask, there is a high probability that your hands may be contaminated by the mask. So it's again important to wash your hands, or at least use a hand sanitizer when you remove the face mask. So whenever you are wearing the face mask or removing the face mask, or whenever you touch the contaminated face mask, you need to wash your hands thoroughly. Inappropriate storage of the face masks. Face masks may not be readily available in the market. We may have to reuse them. A common mistake people do, especially those who wear a cloth face mask, is right after they remove the face mask, they fold it and they simply put it in their pocket. This is absolutely no-no. You're not only just contaminating your hands, but now you're also contaminating your own pocket. And with your hands now you can cross-contaminate other objects like cell phone. The best approach is you can either use a paper bag, as I mentioned earlier. A paper bag is pretty safe. Usually paper bags are breathable, and when you remove the face mask you can start using the face mask again. Or you can simply hang the face mask. Make sure the outer surface of the face mask is not touching any other objects. Another better way is actually washing your face mask directly. Or you can put your face mask in a water mixed with disinfecting solution. Getting close to people who are not wearing a face mask. Remember, face mask is not 100% protective. When you get close to people who are not wearing a face mask, there is a possibility of getting infection from the affected individual. Along with wearing a face mask, it is crucial to maintain social distancing. You need to maintain 6 feet social distancing even if you are wearing a face mask. If you get close to the affected individual and if they start coughing, this face mask is not protective. Reusing face masks inappropriately. If you are using a cloth mask, make sure to wash your cloth mask every single day. Rinsing it with regular water does not really help. You need to use a detergent. If you are wearing a cloth mask and if you are sweating a lot, or if the cloth mask gets dirtier, then you may have to replace it sooner. But remember to make sure to wash your cloth mask every single day. If you are using a medical grade face mask, you can probably use it for a few days. However, there are no clear recommendations for how long you can use a medical grade face mask. Several factors play a role. If you are sweating a lot, then your mask may get dirtier sooner and you may have to replace it sooner. If you are in public places and attend a gathering where there are hundreds of people, you may have to replace it right away. You don't want to wear the same mask for several days. If your mask is getting dirtier just visually, you may have to replace it again. So use your judgment, and it's always better to replace your mask sooner than wearing it for a long time. Using disinfectants. Do not use a disinfectant spray or disinfectant wipe on your face masks. First of all, they are ineffective. They cannot disinfect your face masks. And second, they may damage your face masks. So try not to use any disinfectants on your face masks. If you have a cloth mask, the best approach is to wash it with a detergent. If you have a medical grade face mask, use it for a few times and then simply discard it. So here are some blunders that people do with face masks and tips to avoid these mistakes. If you notice any other mistake that I did not mention in this video, please don't forget to write them in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video. Please do like and share this video. Also, please do subscribe and visit our website MDAdvices.com for more health information. Thank you very much for watching this video.